Now, in the next question we have given Munna's age to be x years. Can you guess what x minus 2 may show? Now, x is Munna's present age. Now, minus 2 means his age 2 years back. X minus 2 years can be his age 2 years back. Now, it is given in the hint. Think of his brother. So, if his age is x years, so x minus 2, that means this can be his brother's age. That means his brother minus 2 shows that his brother is 2 years younger than him. Similarly, can you guess what x plus 4 may show? Now, x plus 4 means 4 years more than his age. So, this can be his brother's age, elder brother's age. So, x plus 4 shows his elder brother's age. Now, in the last part we have what 3x plus 7 may show. Now, 3x means 3 times his age and then 7 more. So, this can be his father's age. So, this we will write in statement that x minus 2 shows his brother is 2 years younger than him. This x minus 2 shows. Now for this x plus 4 we will write his elder brother is 4 years more than him. Now, for this we will write his father's age is, first we will write this one and then we will write this one. So we will write his father's age is 7 years more than 3x means 3 times his age. So 3 times his age. So this was our A part. Now next come to the B part. In the B part we have given Sarah's age today to be y years. Means y is Sarah's present age. Think of our age in the future or in the past. What will the following expression indicate? Here we don't have to write this expression in statement. Here some expression is given. We have to identify what does it show. Like here this first expression indicates here y plus 7 is there. So y is her present age and plus 7 means 7 years more than his present age. That means this age can be his future age. So this will be in future. So whatever be her age now, 7 plus 7 means 7 years after. So it will be his age in future. Okay, it will be her age in future. Now, in the next expression we have y minus 3. Now, y minus 3 means 3 years back. So, this can be age 3 years back. So, it will be past because this is her present age and minus 3 shows, minus 3 indicates that 3 years back. So, it would happen in past. Now, y plus 4 1 by 2. Now instead of solving this part, just focus on the sign here. Here plus sign is given. So obviously this age can be his age in future. This can be her age in future. So it will be future. Now in the last, here minus sign shows this can be her age in the past. So it will be past. So this was B part. Now let's come into the next part. In the C part we have given n students in the class like football. So here n number of students, n can be any number. So the number of students like football is n. Now what may 2 2n show. 2n means twice the number of students like football. That means 2n shows if n number of students like football. Here in the hint it is given that you can think of any other sports. So here 2n is there. 2n here twice the number of students who like football. So it can be cricket. Now n by 2 represents half of the students who like football. Okay, so like here it can be tennis. So the number of students like tennis is half of the students who like football. Like here if you consider in place of n, if it is say 8 and 8 by 2 means 4. So that means 4 is the half of 8. So this means this n by 2 represents half of this. So whoever like football, half of the students like tennis. So here like number of students who like football is n, and the number of students who like cricket is twice the number of students who like football. And here the number of students who like tennis is half of the students who like football. So this was our last part, and this is the last part of this exercise. So thank you, students.